Can't add your Blogger website to Monetag. In this video, I'll show you how to add your Blogger site to Monetag and run ads for free. The easy working method. Let's fix it now.
The stars blink their eyes. Send me blank postcards from across the sea. Mail them to the wrong address. They'll still find me. Your feet, snow bows to your breath. How can I compete? The mirrors are slanted, my reflection's still there. The marquees, they all read.